So what con artists that make these types of videos try to show you is that these machines actually produce their own energy and reuse and create energies. But according to the law of conservation of energy, energy cannot be created or destroyed. So the reality of the matter is that they conceal a power supply, maybe under this part or under another part, that will actually make their project viable. So when they conceal this, they also conceal the reality that the energy cannot be created or destroyed, but they try to get around this by using the power supply. So, as you can see, what we're doing here is we are designing these pieces, stabilization pieces, and maybe they have other functions too, as they have been designed for our project. So, obviously behind us there is a laser have these cut these on so that they can become a viable part of our product.
Now making a prototype to fix this component. So let's start. First of all, we have some cardboard here to cut. So we're going to use the laser cutter for that. And first of all, to use this machine, we have to set an origin point to let the machine start drawing from. So we should start. The point of using the laser cutter instead of cutting it with a knife or just by hand is that the laser pointer will have more accuracy at cutting perfectly.
So, as you can see, what we're doing here is that we're cutting the final product for our project. So previously we had done this out of the cardboard-like material, but we have increased the power, decreased the speed, and we are now doing this out of wood. So as you can see here, this is the final product, and this is the final material which we will be making our product out of.
So we're now screwing them with the motors so we could make the final product.
This motor will be powered by a power supply, which is usually hidden in these videos. It will turn on this belt and make it turn, which will generate power here, and it will turn out an amount of multimeters.
So okay. We can see it generated about 3.5 multimeters. So they hide the battery, they act like they are two power generators sending power to each other and somehow resulting in more power afterwards, which definitely cannot happen.
So to recap the logic that is used in these videos, one of these motors will act as a mover that will power the generator, which will be the other motor. The generator motor is going to produce energy, and this energy will then fuel the original motor to keep moving. So as you can see, it happens in a cycle that will result in them moving simultaneously as the logic goes. But the reality of the matter is that there are other factors that play in that will prevent this from actually taking place, like the friction of the wheel with the block, and air resistance, and maybe other things as well. So to test whether or not this is real, let's just get into it and turn this on. So as you can see, we first powered this with a battery to begin the rotation of these motors. As soon as we disconnected the battery, the motors grinded to a halt. That is because this is a misconception spread by these con artist channels, and the reality of the matter is energy cannot be created nor destroyed. And you should be more skeptical of what you see on the internet.
So, now about volunteering. What we're gonna do is, we noticed, first of all, that we have in our school projects that we do. They're called capstone projects. So one big problem is when they're trying to make projects about electricity, they mostly gain their info from social media. The problem is they may fall for those videos and think that free energy is actually a thing, and they try to do it, they fail, they get confused, and then the channel that uploaded the fake video has now gained from them some likes and subscribers. So what we're gonna do to combat this is spread information about fake videos that abuse that they do not know as much about electricity, and they do stuff like this. So we teach those those students about it, so they can be more aware about the situation. Also, we will make a YouTube channel that will also help in combating those, and will be exposing those fake videos.